eritrea Allah غدا جقنا نعدها إلكا أبساوة تعلمك تمسي بحد إفريم right around بالكا وده هاجري ناتكا يو eritrea ودي eritrea يكا ألو بولو كل يزو كله ولا زغورولو أسمر مساوة كم يدك محاري
Yeah, hade hauna entailini. For us in Eritrea, we have a dictator president. So, but even as we have a dictator president here in Uganda, so kulu hade. So, but the problem with us, we love our dictator because he's our hero. He sacrificed so many things for us. He sacrificed so many things for this country. So we love him. We like him. But a dictator is always a dictator in business, in life, and in politics. Even at home, he can dictate for his family members. So being a dictator is not a crime, it's a habit. So we love our president because he's our hero. I cannot tell you what he did. He did so many things. He sacrificed so many things. He sacrificed his life, his family. You can see his family members. Most of them are in army. It's not a choice. It's a responsibility as a country. He's a jigina, survive. So me eritrea kubretaleni nizom hizbi eritrea ab Uganda zolo ab dege zolo kulom sedetinya hizbi na eritrea. We like you, but it's not because we like you the way you are. We just
قدل بعدلنا تاعكم لكم وعديتم ففو ويلي ببوخا سيبو وات سيبو بدرغا سيبو وات سيبو بس درا هاي له سيبو وات سيبو تعال خليس ما انت ذكرني صوتو سمع عندي غيات غنيني هم ابا علمكم بالو انا ما قد ما تسامحنا زهرنا ما انا قلت لي عندي كم يدي مغير اصلي لكم صلي لكاني حقسكم دو حقيس كاننا دخل يقول لك عندهم عركي هو كم صف لك انا اخذ حرق الدايل معنو حرق الدايل ناي بوخان عندهم وي عندهم معبا سودا حالنا كوينا خلينا يقول لك بتحنا
masterahina you the way you are. We just like your culture. We love you as Ugandans. We respect Eritrea, and Eritrea does the same. So whether your president is a dictator, it doesn't matter because he's not the one who forced you to come out. He didn't.
At the pen, they say guns it, wanna trap again.
Who forced you to come out? You didn't get a letter from him to come out from your country. Yeah, so he didn't told you to leave your country to come out because there was no war the time he left. There was nothing. He is trying to train you. We like him, we love him, we respect him. We respect all African jiginas because they have shown us the light. They are shifter. We like people who decides for them countries and then they understand the rules of the people. Our name is Hizbi. Wedi Maretsi Watadari. I'm a soldier. I'm a strong guy. I'm not a weak person. We decide by our own. We move by our own. When we see a road blocked, we jump because I'm wedi. But for my sake, I'm a Ugandan, a fully Ugandan, born and raised. I'm a Mnyankore from a Mnyankore tribe, and I like Eritrean people because I grew up with Eritreans in Uganda, and that's how I'm proud to be a Ugandan. Because Ugandan, they like everyone, they like every nation, they like every country, and that's why I like my president because he has a mission. He has a mission to unite Africa. Africa had a country. Isu maretsi jigina yu sabayu. Mission Ibrahim Traoré kul hade. Maretsi nana kam hagare Uganda kubre talena misom karot Afrikaውያን ኩሉ ሃዴና ናና እንታይ ከማ ህዝቢ ዝደሊ ሰላም ትራይ ሰላም ሞባይል ቢዝነስ ከጭራልና ደቀሬ ሽኮር አፕ ፖለቲክስ አይኮነ ዘሎ ይዞም ደቀሬ ካንዲ ደቀሬሲ አፕ ፖለቲካ አይኮነ ዘሎ አፕ ቢዝነስ ትራይ ከጭር ዘሎ ናና ኮሚዩኒቲና ናና ቢዝነስ ትራይ ደሊና ሰዲ ገንዘብ respect my rasta. Eritrea and Uganda is the same, bro. There's nothing different. Entire Eritrea, Uganda, Zaire. Beles, we are bringing Beles in Uganda. So there's nothing new that is in Eritrea and Uganda has nothing. We have everything. What about it? Love Uganda. Comes Canada's messel, Kurizolo, Celeste jacket Gerka. Comes inshallah. A mountain range all the arcade Kaka Sese. Comes the Celeste jacket Gerka. Kuriloa. Tom Adi Kampara Reso Kataman comes Asmara Mareti Kari Weka Romanti Zawa na Amla Hasivalena Adilo Barhalo Fam Tugeber Zohone we Beres Tijomer we Zohone Menget Ketka Kampara Antailo Kampara na business you comes club Geremere Tsara garden shisha warhanti turgum lisu business icon ko izu dam restaurant wa Kampala restaurant tubuk tsara gin nana beka
عملت بزال ترمي تتعرف community تعرف
Somaliawian rehado kinde Somaliawian lab kabaragala absenyi kaman Ethiopiawian kinde lab jinja ab Kampala Ethiopian village rehado so nana shifta na Ugandawian teach your kids Eritrea way up Kampala nowhere to get Brizolo. Teach your kids with Ugandans because Ugandans labor save you. Ugandawians for you. Tubuti temerita labzi dek home tamahar usodom bet meriti na Ugandawan temeriti low usodom English perfect English is Arab you. Comes Tigrinya Zaikones comes Lika straight Konkazolo Gidin Trugum Zolo Mareti Abhiwotkum Tineber Care Mission Ugandawan Bahasap Neber Nyabo Kidauntit Hatseb Sebo Bodakos Deke Peka Wodina Community what is there in arena the har not kum Budai the har metsu Basidiu the hard bas der hane wot hadare negre kumaloho ane jiginai wot hadare ane wot ele the hard bas der ha sawata mahire kulu zolo ab hiwotna wara hanti hadish nigerlo kulu reye hiwot reye remide seb men tubuk men hama photo hiji wara hanti hadish lo abza hiwote marid the hard bas der ha ketreke ودينادو أنا وتهدري
عارف عركي كلام كروس ولا وعطا كفلني سدوا أمشاش حبني أمشاش نايز حبني بقى تعالوا عركي مش نجرك بقى أبغى جبك طرش لا طرش لا هكا جانا ده كنت عشان عايزه أنا أمشاش حبني بقى تغير ما دحين ما تعرف أنا بدنا وي أساسنا ركعتين تايجر كعيزة بقى تايجر بريجي ده عليكوا عركي وي ناين ده دواي أتاريكوا عركي غير يكون سيرة زلوا ورنا أكيد بلدينا دحين خلص من مجمرة وا ما نقدر كاكو بودا هما كويركا مودا هندا هندا Dahar mashi beka kari boda kid bikari boda kid beka
እንደዛ ደግሞ ወይ 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 ወይ